got a cattle ranch. Whoa, I've been calving all night for sure. I got a cattle ranch. Whoa, I gotta work on my steer some more. I can work until I grow up, and I can feel this spin right up, and I can wake every day at sun up, I wanna keep the farm going, keep it going, 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 going. I got a little baby calf last night. I got a John Deere tractor. Yeah, I got a silage pit. That's right. And I love this life. Yeah. Oh, I'm on the farm. Oh, if you don't know, well now you know. I got a cattle ranch. Whoa, I've been calving all night for sure. I got a cattle ranch. Whoa, I gotta work on my steer some more. I can work until I grow up, and I can feel this spin right up, and I can wake every day at sun up, I wanna keep this farm going, keep it going, come on. Roll up to the farm, made a farm till you ride all through it. End up in the barn, can't remember your farming. See your slippers, I'll show you what I'm doing. Blown calm, you see what? Look again. Give me green, give me water, give me milk, give me massage. Love it till the end. What happens after that? If we inspire this tent. I call my home terror on, we can all say it again. Clean the barn again and again. Done so much, keep going. Got hit on the head, get over it. I got a cattle ranch, that's my word. Do farm like I said, I'm intelligent. A little kid can't hurt this farmer. I show up, but I never grow up. So if the green grow up, grow up. I got a cattle ranch, whoa, I've been calving all night for sure. I got a cattle ranch, whoa, I gotta work on my steer some more. I can work